Alright, I'm gonna be trying this chicken salad for my college. Like, look at this. This salad looks pretty good. It got some beans, some chicken, some tomatoes, some corn. It looks pretty good. I might hold you. Well, let me try the sauce. Basically honey mustard. I don't want to put too much. Well, let me try the salad. It's fire. Tastes like Chipotle. I'm surprised it tastes good. And it's very soft. I'd rate this out of 10. Let me try some tomato. You know I like tomato. Oh, it's sweet tomato. I'll mess with you. This will be it. 8.8. Very good salad. Rice sauces. It's crunchy. I like this salad. Very good.